What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the most powerful volatility indices strategy that I use to catch this beautiful sell trade on V75 and multiple other trades. Yes, I'll show you even multiple other trades, even on boom and crash and on other volatility indices. As you can see, only one position is in loss currently using this strategy, and actually I managed to take this trade yesterday evening before I was about to sleep, and we managed to catch a beautiful sell trade on V75. So I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I managed to do this. As you can see, this is a live chat. What I'll just do right now is quickly stop it so that I can proceed with the video. I know you guys will be calling and texting, so I don't want you distracted on this video. We're just going to look into the strategy, see how you can also get these beautiful trades on your own, practice this on your own, and later on move on to a real account and start downloading money. So watch up until the end so that you can clearly understand how the strategy works and where we are coming from. Okay, if you haven't seen our previous videos, please make sure you check out the previous videos that I posted right here on this channel, where I was talking about this strategy. It is the 1450 strategy. We're going to install it together, and then we're going to look into the conditions that have to be met in order for this strategy to work successfully. So we're going to start off with V75. As you can see, this was almost a zero drawdown trade. I don't remember if we ever if we were in drawdown. If we were, it was very little and not even significant. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get those sniper entries just using this strategy. If you enjoy this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, and I'm going to do a massive giveaway at 10,000, as well as in this video I'm going to give away a free spot in our VIP signals group so that you can come and trade with us for free. I'll show you guys who the winner is and who is going to be the next winner. So stay up until the end so that you understand where we're going. So let's quickly go over the settings that you're going to need for this 1450 strategy. Very simple settings that we need, and then we'll go through the conditions. Now on your main chart, you've got two indicators, as you can see, a green one and a red one, and the first one is a moving average, and the moving average has got the following properties. We've got a period of 14, a shift of 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this one. And on visualization, it's on all time frames. This is going to be true for all the other indicators that we're going to install in this video. So always remember, on time frame, it is on all time frames. This will allow you to move from time frame to time frame and do top-down analysis if you are like me. Okay, and then on the style, it's a green color, like I said, and if you click down, you'll see that we have a green line, a green moving average running across our charts, which is our EMA 14, and it's going to help us with our entry point. You'll soon see how that works. Okay, the other indicator that we have on our main chart is a moving average again, but this time on the period it is 15, right? The shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close. Okay, and on your style, I chose that red color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using in this video, because I'm going to be referring to them throughout the entire process. So if I click done, as you can see, there is a red moving average on our chart. This is also going to help us with take profit levels and stop loss levels. Okay, then we're going to need an indicator window 1, and it's made up of, firstly, our stochastic oscillator, which has got the following properties. We've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low high, a method of simple, and of course these two beautiful levels, our buy zone, which is on level 20, and our sell zone, which is on level 18. Okay, if you click done, you have to style this stochastic, so make sure that the main and the signal have the same color as your background color. So on my background, on my charts, I've got this white color. So that's why my signal and my main are all white. So if I click done, you see that what will only pop up first are these two levels: the 80 level going up, which we labeled as a sell zone, and the buy level, which we said is all level 20, going down, and nothing else inside. Okay, take note of that. Moving on, we need to add our final indicator that is going to help us. So I'm going back to my indicator section, and I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add a moving average. But this time the period is going to change. We're going to have a different period of 10, but everything else remains the same. Okay, I'll also change the style so that you can differentiate these colors easily. So I chose black right there, and if I click done, you see that we now have a black line added on to our charts. So this gives us then the complete strategy, the complete 1450 strategy. But as usual, if you do not have any condition or any rules for a strategy, it is basically baseless. Okay, so let's get into what you have to be on the lookout for. But before we do that, I'll also be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. You can easily join us from there and trade with us in that Telegram channel. There are over 7,000 traders, so it's a very big trading community. If you're interested in being in a trading community that supports what you're doing, I also post analysis and signals in that group. I also post strategies and any other trading materials that can help you grow in your trading. So feel free to join. It's completely free. Again, every stuff that you're going to find in there will be free. So click the link in the description box below and you'll be able to join. And as you guys know, that on each and every video that I post, I do give away a free spot in our VIP signals group. Yes, we have a VIP signals group where I trade and post my trades that I'm trading with a selected few people. And I decided that each and every time I post a video, I should be thanking you guys by picking a winner for our VIP signals group. And it's very easy to be a winner. All you have to do is to make sure that you are a subscriber. So subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll pick you in the next one. And today's winner is Spark. Yes, DG Spark, you have won. You were the first person to comment on this video, and you can contact us on any of our platforms, and I'll be able to aid you to our VIP signals group so that we can catch these beautiful trades with us. Can you look at this beautiful sell trade that we would have traded? So let me explain to you guys why I ended into this trade. I was actually a bit late on this trade as usual because I'm watching a lot of trades, guys. As I've shown you, I have a lot of trades that I'm looking into. So some of these trades I might actually miss them, or I might be late in entering. But nonetheless, our strategy is so powerful that even if you are late, you will still make money. So let's get into how I managed to enter a sell trade like this. Or I'll start off by explaining how a sell setup is like. Okay, so the first thing that you have to take note of when you want to enter a trade, a sell trade to be specific, is the position of your black line. So once you see your black line right there in your sell zone like that, then you're going to go to your main chart and mark that region. That's a very important area of your price, and that's usually your peak level. Okay, the second thing that you need is a break of market structure. So if you were going up like this, we were going up right previously, I want to see a break of market structure. How do I see that? I go to my price. I see, has it crossed to be below my green line right there? So if you see price breaking and going below your green line right there like that, then it means that's a break of market structure and you're most likely going to sell. But you don't enter into a sell immediately. You go back down to a lower time frame and you look for a golden cross. Yes, the 1450 strategy has a golden cross. How do you get the golden cross? Basically, you wait for the green line and the red line to cross each other. So from 30-minute time frame, you can see that it happened right there, and that's when your first sell trade was actually supposed to be, right? If you go back down, I like to get my entries from the 15-minute time frame. So if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see a bunch of golden crosses. The first one was actually there, and the second one here. So anywhere around this region from the 15-minute time frame, you would have got a beautiful sell trade. You can even go to the 5-minute time frame if you want. and get your entry to be much more precise. But I prefer the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame, especially if I want to swing trade or hold the trade overnight. And as you can see here, we actually managed to take a sell right down there, and this is because I was using my 1 hour time frame. I waited for the crossover to happen in my 1 hour time frame, so it happened around that region, and soon after some retests, we managed to enter into our sell trade, and as you can see, we went all the way down. So this is how you do a sell setup, a sell trade. Let's look at how you can do a buy trade. Let's look at how you can do a buy trade, and then maybe we'll look at other indices that are in profit that we're trading. Or maybe let's look at another sell trade that we have. We have another sell trade on Volatility 101S, which is right here. So I'm going to quickly open my chart, and as you can see, we've got another sell trade. It's almost the same trade as on our V75 1S. It was a sell trade again, and this is because the first thing we noticed that the black line had reached our sell zone, right? It did a bunch of consolidation and raging there, but still it doesn't matter because your strategy will still pick that up, that it's consolidation. Those that joined my bootcamp know that how can you tell if the market is ranging and not changing. Okay, so second thing was to wait for break of market structure. I've already explained what that is, and we can see that right around here. And third thing was to look for entries in a smaller time frame. So if you go to the smaller time frame, all you have to do now is just look for selling opportunities, basically the golden cross. So the golden cross happened around this zone. That's when actually your first trade was supposed to be. So I was supposed to enter here, but I then entered lower, right? I think I ended from my higher time frame. I think I ended from a higher time frame or the 5-minute time frame. I ended on a retest to my green line. Yeah, I ended on the retest to my green line. So basically the retest was this one. My price bounced to the green line and came back down. That's a retest because we had already confirmed this sell trade from way up there. So these retests are entering opportunities or areas where you can actually re-enter into your trade. So if you had entered a sell up above here, down below there, when your price bounces on your green line, that's a re-entry. That's another opportunity for you actually to enter into your trade. So this is what we did right there. Let's get back again to V75 1S, and let's look for buying opportunities from the market. So here with another beautiful buy opportunity. Black line reached our buy zone right there. We had a clear break of market structure, although it was sort of like a continuation from a retracement, but still we could see that we were selling, but we are now breaking that sell. And the moment that happens, you go back down to your lower time frame, let's say your 30-minute time frame, you start looking for the golden cross. And here we can see that the golden cross occurred right around this zone. To be more precise, you can even go to your 15-minute time frame, and you'll be able to see the golden cross a little bit early. So if you see in your 15-minute time frame, your golden cross actually occurred right there instead of around this box. So you're going to be a few pips early in the trade, but nonetheless, it's basically one and two. It's still the same entry. Still the same entry. Okay, it is still the same entry. If you entered here, you're going to go up, come back down to this zone where you can re-enter again. That's a retest, and go back further up using this powerful strategy. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, if you guys want me to explain further, please make sure that you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell so that I will notify you in the next video. Yes, I will notify you in the next video. If you have any other questions on this strategy, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I will be responding to questions on this strategy in the comment section. Don't forget to join our free Telegram community, where you can find access to trading materials that can help you grow. Okay, just click the link in the description and it will allow you to join for free, and you can follow up on some of our trades. So if you guys want to learn more about this, maybe let's look at why I entered into a sell trade on, I already explained that. So these were two beautiful trades, just to show you that the strategy is consistent. It has multiple. I think I only have one trade that is not profitable currently, which is crash 300. Maybe let's take a look at that. Although we don't examine crash on this channel, since this is for volatility indices purely, but just to take a look at crash 300, can you see how we got this trade? We were actually greedy. We ended here. We were profitable all the way down to this one. And can you see that our price bounced on our red line and went up? So you can see that our take profit was supposed to be here. That was supposed to be our first take profit. Then we wait for the golden cross to continue, but we were a little bit greedy and price reversed on us. But nonetheless, I'll explain this further in our main channel. If you don't know it, make sure you check it from our Telegram channel so that you see the new explanation on that one. When we are talking on boom and crash, I'll also be explaining these profitable trades on boom 500 and boom 300 as well. But for now, let's just stick to this, and tell me guys what you think about the strategy in the comment section below.